Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jimmy, and I'm delighted to be here today to talk to you about ecoenzyme and how to make it. Okay, so in this presentation, my talks in this presentation is divided into three parts. At first, I'll begin with the what is ecoenzyme. Then I will look at the benefits of ecoenzyme for daily lives, and finally, how to make the ecoenzyme. So if you have any question, please save it until the end of the presentation and I'll be happy to answer. Okay, so let's start with the first part. What is ecoenzyme? Okay, so ecoenzyme, or usually called garbage enzyme, is a dark brown multi-purpose liquid produced through the fermentation of organic waste, such as vegetable scrap and fruit peels. The fermentation process can be done by mixing organic waste, sugar, and water. It will produce a liquid rich in enzymes that are beneficial for the environment. Several types of enzyme are found in ecoenzyme, including amylase, protease, and lipase. Okay, then let's move to the second part, the benefits for daily life. Okay, so there's four benefits of ecoenzyme. The first is organic fertilizer. The enzyme, okay, so the enzyme and organic material content in ecoenzyme can enhance nutrient absorption in plants, promoting more optimal growth. To use it as a natural fertilizer, mix 50 milliliter of ecoenzyme with 1.5 liter of water. Then pour the mixture into your plants. And second is pest control. This fermented liquid can also be used as a natural pest control or pesticide. It is commonly applied in the organic fruit and vegetable farming industry. In addition to agricultural use, ecoenzyme can be used to control household pests such as cockroach, ant, and flies. And the third is antiseptic soap. A study published in International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health in 2020 examined the antibacterial effect of ecoenzyme made from pineapple, orange, and papaya peels. The study found that ecoenzyme liquid in concentration of 50 to 100% was just effective as 2.5% of sodium hypochlorite, or NaOCl, in inhibiting the growth of Enterococcus spinalis bacteria. So, thanks to this antibacterial property, ecoenzyme can also be formulated into natural antibacterial or antiseptic soap in either liquid or bar form. Okay, and the last is household cleaning fluid. So, ecoenzyme can be also used in a natural cleaner for various surfaces, such as floor, table, cabinet, and toilet. So this is because the fermentation of organic waste produce alcohol and acetic acid, which act as natural disinfectant that kill harmful germs. Okay, so that concludes the benefit of ecoenzyme. This leads me to my last point, which is how to make the ecoenzyme. So to make the ecoenzyme, you will need the ingredient first. So the ingredients are, first is brown sugar or palm sugar or molasses. Then is fruit peel waste or vegetable waste. And the last is finally a clean water. Also, you will need a tools which is an airtight container or bottle. So there is some step to make it. First is to prepare all the ingredient and the tools. And then you can start by mixing brown sugar or palm sugar or molasses with clean water inside of an airtight container and put the fruit peel waste or vegetable scrap together in the mixture by using the ratio of 1, 3, and 10. So if you are using 1 part of sugar or 100 gram or molasses or palm sugar, you will need 3 parts or 300 gram of fruit or vegetable waste and 10 part or 1000 milliliter of clean water or 1 liter. Then close the container and make sure the lid is secure, but also allow occasional release of gas during fermentation to avoid explosion. And then you have to store the container for fermentation. It's important to keep the container in a cool and dry place for approximately 3 months. So you can also open the lid occasionally during the first month to release gas to avoid explosion. And finally, after 3 months, you can harvest the ecoenzyme, strain the liquid, and store it in the clean bottles. And your ecoenzyme is now ready for use. Okay, so to summarize the main point of my talks, ecoenzyme is a multi-purpose liquid produced through the fermentation of organic waste such as vegetable scrap and fruit peels. And there is 4 benefits of using the ecoenzyme for daily lives, and also how to make it, also how to make the ecoenzyme on your own. So that brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you.